Hi guys, it's here AstusFX. I'm currently in Accra for a small vacation and I just got my first payout with the Talented Trader. So I've been trading with the Talented Trader since February and I requested my payout and I just got paid right away to my Binance account. So in this video, I'm going to share my experience, how did my experience go with them, and then I'm going to show you guys if you should be getting funded with them or not. So let's get into the video. So first of all, as I said, I got funded with them back from February, and the Talented Trader is a Forex prop firm, especially HFT prop firm. That means that you can get funded with them using a HFT bot or a high frequency trading bot. It's a trading bot that can get you funded within few hours. So you buy the account, you use the bot, and then you get funded right away. It's really easy. So if you want to get funded using HFT trading bot, I think if you check out the Talented Trader, you can actually get funded really easily. And apart from that, they have a lot of account size that you can choose from. They have the one-step evaluation, which you can use the HFT. And if you don't like getting funded with the HFT because there are some rules that you have to follow for the HFT, if you want to go for the normal one, you can check out the two-step evaluation as well. And for the HFT, I think overall is a good choice if you don't have like the time to pass the challenge, pass phase 1, pass phase 2. It may take you a while. So if you want to like go right away to the funded stage, you can just get the HFT series and then you should be good to go. And as I said, I got an account with them back from February. I passed the phase 1 with the HFT and I got my funded account within like 3 days because I passed, and then I had to go through the KYC and stuff, and I eventually got my account within 3 days. And then I had to trade a live account, which I did, and then I requested for the payout and I eventually got the payout right here. And apart from that, I'm also planning to get another account with them within maybe next week or something, maybe 200K, because the payout was really smooth. So I'm gonna get an account 200K, pass with the bot. I'll show you guys. I may probably make another video where I'll be passing the channel with the HFT bot, so that if you guys are interested, you can check that out as well. And I think overall it's pretty nice. And maybe if an advantage of you trading HFT service with the Talented Trader is because they have their own broker. They have a MT4 broker that you can trade with, because most of those HFT prop firms, they don't really have a MT4, MT5 broker, because most of them, they shut down, like 8 cap gone down. So most of those prop firms using 8 cap now, they don't provide any MT4 anymore. So if you check out the Talented Trader, you can use their own broker MT4, which is really nice. I think MT5 or MT4 best option compared to C Trader and Match Trader, because it's really smooth compared to those other new things that are popping up currently. So apart from all of this, I think it's really nice. And they also have what do you call it? They also have a new dashboard, new features. You can request your payout from the dashboard. You can do your KYC from the dashboard. You can do a lot of things. And I think that's pretty much it. If you guys want to get funded with any HFT company, I think if you check out the Talented Trader, they should be one of the options that you can have. And I think that's pretty much it. And if I get another account, I get another payout, I would definitely make another video, because I like making videos with companies that I get paid with, because I want to get paid before I can actually show you guys that you can get funded with a company, which is very nice. So I guess that's pretty much it for this video, and I hope you guys are the best. And if you want to learn how to trade, like if you get funded, eventually you want to know how to trade before you can trade with the live account. So you can check out my mentorship link in the description below. You can have access to my mentorship where you can learn how to trade, and I can mentor you through the process. Any sort of question you can have, you can also follow me on Instagram. If you have any question, you can always ask me on Instagram, and I think that's pretty much it. Hope you guys are the best, and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you like it.